a Senzo Meyiwa gun law should deal with this question and imprison those who carry illegal guns for the purpose of destroying the youth of this country.
Asikokuqala ke kukho isikhalo somthetho oluqilima ukulawulwa imikhono yekati.
As women, we are saying, if there is no gun in your home, you are much more safer. If there was no gun in the Pistorius home, River Steenkamp will be alive today.
Umthetho omtsha ka-2004 uthi abanini mipu kufuneka baqeqeshelwe ukuyisebenzisa. Kodwa abe-Gun Owners Association bathi ingxaki ayilelanga apho.
Criminals do not abide by laws. So if you can have extremely strong gun control in legislation and your criminals are not going to adhere to it.
Kodwa omnye umbutho unambono zimbi, i-Gun Free South Africa ithi ukuthathwa kwezibhamu kuluntu lweli sesona sisombululo.
Since the implementation of the new gun law, gun deaths have reduced by 50% in this country. So we show that stricter gun laws work. Now we know that violence will not go away if you take away the weapon. It's taking a strategic approach and saying, where can we have most impact most quickly? And it's by removing the gun.
I-Gun Free South Africa ithi kulungele ukusebenzisana neSAFA kumthetho omtsha wemipu noma usekwe kwinkumbulo zikaMeyiwa. Ndinguzikhona Tshona eRhawutini.